Good afternoon, or I should say good evening, everyone. It's Izzy here. So basically, everyone knows that I'm working on making my house, or I should say my home, a smart home. And I just added the newest addition, which is basically the last thing I'm doing inside the house. And that is that I'm putting in a garage door opener. Okay, the garage door, opens now with the regular button, like in the car, or hitting the button that's on the wall next to your door, or a remote control switch. But since everybody carries their cellular phone now, it's really easy just to whip out your phone. You don't have to be really looking for, especially me when I'm out, let's say mowing the lawn or doing yard work. I always forget to get the little controller, and I have to walk to the front of the house, back and forth. And when I always have my cell phone, so what's the sense, right? So anyways, with no further ado, this is what I did. Okay, so I bought this device. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. This is my garage door opener. Okay, and you can buy it like for $100, a controller, fancy one and stuff. But basically, this time I wanted to just do it by myself. So basically, this is what it is. You buy this thing here, this chipset. Okay, it's a device. Anyways, you take any 5-volt battery charger. Even an Apple one. I'm using a Jabra. But anyways. You get your 5 volts here. You get your 5 volts here. Okay, this is a Wi-Fi module and a controller. Then you see the blue and white wire. Well, it goes through this harness and back here to the back of your garage door. Now this harness here, these wires, if you follow them, they go through this. Well, you can't see them, but they go up through the ceiling and down the wall to the switch, to the wall switch. So basically, you come and you just connect your blue and your white or whatever color wires you want. You stick them inside there, okay, and then you program it like you put it in Wi-Fi mode. You use the app, okay, and I'm gonna leave the link down below. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the link down below, and you can buy it on Amazon. It costs $15, and it's extremely easy to hook up, and basically that's it. And then you download the app. It's the eWe link, eWe link, okay, and it comes in the little envelope that the little module comes in. Comes the instructions, anyways. But it's eWe link. You download that; it's free, and you set up an account. And then you link up your phone to the module, and then that's it. And then once you name it, you basically go into the app. You hit the button, so it'll say on, off, and that's it. It's very simple to do. It's pretty self-explanatory, and and then you'll be able to always have access to your garage, safe access, I should say, to your garage. Because you have you'll have your cell phone with you all the time. The other thing is I want to mention is you can connect it also to Alexa. Bear in mind that if you connect it to Alexa, it does not have password. It's not password protected like let's say my front door lock. So be careful. Don't be putting an Echo device in the garage where someone could say, Alexa, open the garage door, because it'll open it, so don't do that, okay? Be very careful with that, okay? This is more for you to have access to your garage through your cell phone. That's it, okay? So I'll leave the link down below. Anyways, if you found this interesting or useful, you can leave your comments down below. As always, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, okay? All right, see you soon. Take care.